The key there, I think, will be the content, because we've all sat in conference rooms of 300, 400, 500 people, whatever, whereby you're sitting there and you're not really listening to what's going on. It's not hooking you. You're not getting that much out of the content.
Chris, how are Conference Care thinking about the virtual future?
I think the virtual will certainly impact across the board on different things but I think that'll also be affected by the whole scenario of home working. So I think Zoom is all very good and interesting. I don't know if anyone saw that pie chart of people's attention during a Zoom meeting. So how much time you spend looking at someone's background or what they're doing and all of that. So it's all very well and good for that. You're going to lose that when people are back in offices. And I don't think people would be Zooming desk to desk so much. Also, there is a lot of, our customers have a lot of internal space that they're using within their offices for smaller meetings already. So that's certainly going to continue, and that's free for them to use. I think the impact will be on the larger events, particularly international events, as Lucy was saying, whereby you're going to see a reduction in physical delegates, I would imagine, at the outset of this, and more virtual. The key there, I think, will be the content, because we've all sat in conference rooms of 300, 400, 500 people, whatever, whereby you're sitting there and you're not really listening to what's going on. It's not hooking you. You're not getting that much out of the content. But you can't take that walk of shame from your theatre-style meeting to the exit door. Now, you're attending that event virtually. You can leave at the push of a button. So I think you would see that content condensed into a much smaller time, and more kind of TED-style talks in there, much less blather, I guess, at the end of the day, because you've got to keep that content going if you're going to keep those attendees online.